Russia, a land of immense beauty and profound history, a land of vast landscapes and rich history, where every corner tells a story of its own. Beyond its bustling cities lies a hidden treasure trove of natural beauty, waiting to be discovered. Imagine rolling hills blanketed in emerald green, stretching endlessly into the horizon. Picture sparkling rivers winding through dense forests, their waters clear and pure. This is the Russia that captures the soul, a place of serene and tranquil beauty. A land where time seems to move slower, allowing you to savor each moment. A place where nature's symphony plays on repeat, a melody of birdsong and rustling leaves. The Russian countryside is a tapestry woven with vibrant colors and textures, each season bringing its own palette. Golden fields of sunflowers stretch as far as the eye can see, their faces turned towards the sun. Birch forests stand tall, their leaves shimmering like silver in the breeze, creating a magical atmosphere. And in the heart of this idyllic landscape lie charming villages, each with its own story to tell, each a piece of living history. These villages are more than just picturesque destinations, they are the heartbeat of rural Russia. They are living museums where ancient traditions and warm hospitality have been preserved for generations, offering a window into the past. They offer a glimpse into the heart of Russia, where the pace of life is slower and the connection to nature is stronger. A place where community and tradition thrive. Join me as we embark on a journey to uncover the hidden gems of rural Russia, places that are often overlooked but hold immense beauty and charm. Let's explore these enchanting villages, each with its unique character and allure, each a testament to the enduring spirit of the Russian people. Get ready to experience the true essence of Russia, far from the beaten path where the soul of the country truly resides. Tucked away from the well-trodden tourist trails, Russia's villages offer a refreshing change of pace. These serene locales are often overlooked by travelers, making them perfect for those seeking a more authentic experience. These hidden gems are where history and nature intertwine, creating an ambience of timeless charm. The landscapes are dotted with historical buildings that tell stories of a bygone era, surrounded by the untouched beauty of forests and rivers. Here, cobblestone streets lead to ancient churches and wooden houses adorned with intricate carvings. Each structure is a testament to the craftsmanship and artistry of the past, offering a visual feast for history enthusiasts and architecture lovers alike. The air is filled with the scent of freshly baked bread and blooming wildflowers. These simple yet profound pleasures create a sensory experience that is both comforting and invigorating. Locals greet you with warm smiles and genuine hospitality. Their friendliness and openness make you feel instantly at home, as if you've stepped into a community that has been waiting just for you. Life in these villages unfolds at a leisurely pace. Daily activities are unhurried, allowing you to savor each moment and truly appreciate the simplicity and beauty of rural life. It's a refreshing contrast to the hustle and bustle of city life. The tranquility of the village life offers a much-needed respite from the constant noise and rush of urban environments. Step back in time as you wander through these living museums. Each village is a treasure trove of history, with streets and buildings that have witnessed centuries of change and yet remain steadfast in their charm. Each village boasts its own unique character and traditions. From local festivals to traditional crafts, there is always something new to discover and learn. Discover ancient monasteries that have stood for centuries. These spiritual havens offer a glimpse into the religious and cultural heritage of the region, providing a serene backdrop for reflection and exploration. Explore local markets bursting with colorful crafts and fresh produce. These markets are a vibrant hub of activity, where you can find everything from handmade souvenirs to fresh, locally sourced food. Immerse yourself in the warmth of Russian hospitality as you interact with the friendly locals. Their stories and traditions will enrich your understanding of the culture and make your visit truly memorable. Prepare to be enchanted by the beauty and tranquility of these hidden gems. The serene landscapes and peaceful atmosphere provide the perfect setting for relaxation and rejuvenation. They offer a glimpse into the soul of Russia, where time seems to stand still. The timeless scenes of village life capture the essence of a simpler, more connected way of living. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready for an unforgettable journey through rural Russia. This adventure promises to be a unique and enriching experience, filled with moments that you will cherish forever. Our first stop takes us to Suzdal, a town steeped in history. Imagine stepping back in time to the heart of ancient Russia. Suzdal, with its onion-domed churches and Kremlin walls, transports you to a bygone era. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a living museum of Russian architecture and culture. Begin your exploration with a visit to the Suzdal Kremlin, one of the oldest in Russia. Its white stone walls and towering cathedrals dominate the skyline. Take a leisurely stroll through the grounds, soaking in the historical significance of this remarkable site. Next, hop aboard a horse-drawn carriage for a charming tour of the town. Let the rhythmic clip-clop of hooves transport you through the cobblestone streets. Admire the colourful wooden houses and the intricate carvings that adorn them. No visit to Suzdal is complete without experiencing its vibrant market. Here you can find everything from traditional handicrafts to local delicacies. Be sure to sample Vodka, a local honey-based alcoholic drink, and indulge in some freshly baked pastries. Our journey continues to Rostov Veliky, another jewel in the crown of Russia's Golden Ring. This ancient town is one of the oldest in Russia, with a history that dates back over 1,000 years. Perched on the serene shores of Lake Nero, Rostov Veliky is a sight to behold. The tranquil waters of the lake reflect the timeless beauty of the village, creating a picturesque scene that feels like a step back in time. This ancient city, with its majestic Kremlin and shimmering lake views, will transport you back to the days of czars and princesses. The Rostov Kremlin stands as a testament to the city's rich history and architectural grandeur. The Rostov Kremlin, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a must-see. Its towering walls and intricate designs are a marvel of medieval Russian architecture. Within its towering walls lies a complex of churches, palaces, and gardens. Each structure tells a story of the past, offering a glimpse into the lives of those who once walked these grounds. Take your time exploring the intricate architecture and marvel at the frescoes that adorn the walls of the Assumption Cathedral. These frescoes, with their vibrant colors and detailed depictions, are a true masterpiece of Russian art. For a unique cultural experience, visit the Rostov Enamel Museum. This museum showcases the exquisite art of enamel painting, a craft that has been perfected over centuries. Here you can admire the intricate artistry of Rostov Veliky, a traditional Russian craft of painting on enamel. The delicate designs and vibrant colors of these enamel pieces are truly captivating. You can even try your hand at creating your own miniature masterpiece. The museum offers workshops where you can learn the techniques of enamel painting from skilled artisans. In winter, Lake Nero transforms into a winter wonderland. The frozen lake, covered in a blanket of snow, offers a serene and magical landscape. Embrace the Russian winter by trying your hand at ice fishing or kayaking on the frozen lake. These activities provide a unique way to experience the beauty and tranquility of the winter season. Afterward, warm up with a hearty bowl of ukha, a traditional Russian fish soup, and savor the flavors of freshly baked pirojki. These traditional dishes are a perfect way to end your journey through Rostov Veliky, offering a taste of the region's rich culinary heritage.